And I'm back with another mukbang. My shirt rising and shit. I said I wasn't gonna do no more mukbang, but I am because I love food. So today what I got me some baked spaghetti, y'all, that I made myself. I know it came up, you know, I was baked spaghetti, you know, anyway, it's still baked, you know what I'm saying? See the cheese already baked. Got me some shrimp and corn in my own sauce. You guys, yes. Anyways, y'all, what I'm gonna tell you about is my key ingredient that I make my sauce with. Okay, I use the lemon juice or whatever from the lemon, and then I use my Tony's. And this is the key ingredients right here. The panda tastes way different. Sweet chili sauce. Let me put my burgers on. Oh, sauce sticky. Oh my bad. Babe, you gonna be copyrighted. Listen to CJ So Cool stuff. Gotta start my day off with a bang. I'm just playing. But yeah, this is good, y'all. I like the bang. Fire. Oh my god, y'all. Tell me why. In my sauce that I made, that I created, because you know everybody copying everybody's sauce and adding whatever ingredient is. It's not the ingredient, really. It's somebody else's season they created, but yeah. Anyways, I put my spaghetti in my sauce like this, y'all. And it tastes fire. See, baby, you can add up with anything. Now, my sauce will give you anything, too. I got me some shrimp, y'all. I did want shrimp. And I did make it a little hot, the sauce. Because last time I made it, that stuff was hot. I couldn't handle the heat. What, you hungry here, babe? Oh my god. It's good to have some baked spaghetti. So anyways, y'all, we had a little incident yesterday. My son was inside of Walmart. I was looking for like cover up, what's it called? Foundation. Because I want to try to get into makeup, do makeup and stuff. But my son had an incident. He passed out in the store. And I don't know why. But they said we took to the hospital. But he didn't say it, not hard. But yeah, we took to the hospital. And the little nurse, doctor, whatever he just said, it was like a little seizure. And I think because my son didn't eat that day, he didn't want to eat. You know how kids want to just go outside to play. That's what he did. He went outside to play. And he didn't want to eat nothing. His sister just grubbing all day long. She'd make her stuff, you know, care. But yeah, I think that's what it was from. Him being dehydrated, like Trey said. But yeah, the little doctor man said it was a small seizure. Because his eyes did roll on the back of his head. And then my son got hit in his head by one of these kids. And I said I'm gonna start pressing charges when kids hit my son in the head. Because that's what could have caused it also. So he just been, huh? What? What's it?
To charge your phone.
You said it charged?
You need to charge it.
Is it still going?
Yeah.
Well, duh, I gotta charge my phone. Go ahead and slide me a charger up on there.
Where the little plug is.
It's right there, plugged up. The black one? In the kitchen. Is it in the kitchen?
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
But yeah. I'm gonna press charges because I ain't got time to go to jail for none of those kids or parents. I'm just gonna press charges on their ass because I wouldn't have my son. It scared his sister yesterday. It scared me bad too, NayandTray. I was like, oh hell, what the hell? I'm looking for makeup, turn around, my son fell on the damn floor. That's the scariest thing ever, yo. And all he did today is sleep. Well, he been sleeping now. He went out, he was outside earlier, but somebody hit him in the head. And that's the shit that made me mad. they be bigger than him and stuff, and they know Jeremiah got a disability. He has mental retardation, that's what it's called. But yeah, they hit him in his head, and I'm not playing with these kids no more. I'm gonna call the police. Trey was trying to go out there and fight and stuff, like, you know, I'm gonna fight for the parents and stuff, but no. I ain't gonna fight nobody's parents. Because you end up in jail like that. I'm just gonna go to the police. Babe. It's still going? Is it still going? I had to erase some stuff, because you know how I record with my phone. I had to delete some stuff on my phone.
Me have a shrimp.
No, big release no. How many I got? I can give you one. Here. I didn't pick what?
Said peel it.
No, peel it. You want my peel it, babe?
How you gonna dip it in the sauce before
Because you suck it. Here. It's still on there. That sauce is kind of hot. It ain't hot like that, but it's hot. I ain't doing no more challenges till somebody else do my challenge. That's just how I'm gonna be. Because I be doing everybody else's challenges and stuff. But then, you gonna do a little on my challenge? No. But shout out to the Winston family. She did my challenge also. Shout out to them. Did you be done today when she did my challenge? What's the other one? His name is, what? Pimpalicious Mukbang? Something like that? I think you got it. Ain't you ready? Thank you for doing my challenge. Whoever else chose to do the challenge or asked to do the challenge and they didn't, you know, I'm still waiting. But I ain't doing nobody else's challenge until y'all do mine. We on the road to 2K, y'all. I know you see it.
I know you see it.
Ain't nobody counting like 1,700 and all that like that. They be like, yeah, everybody don't count that. Well, some people don't count 1,700 and all that. They're like, yeah, I'm on the road to 2K. They be at 1,000. On the road to 2K already. Woo!
I know you see it.
But I'm bringing a little mukbang, baked spaghetti, and my sauce with corn and shrimp.
I know.
With a bang.
I know you see it.
Huh?
I know you see it.
I still got my nails on, y'all. I usually broke them, but I didn't. I didn't break none. Thank you. Thank you. Woo! I love it. That drink fire. Shout out to them. Bang, y'all stuff is good. The one I like is this one. It's called Razzie. Blue Raz. Yes. Y'all need to give us a, what's it called, babe? A sponsorship. So we can sponsor y'all. We can promote y'all. On all our channels. I should have made this one just for the mukbang channel, but I can't delete none of my videos, y'all. Because they take your watch hours, you need to delete all videos. Like, she just dipping everything in that stuff, huh? Yes, it's fire. Try it. Add my key ingredients. It's like Dame Dash sauce and beloved sauce, but I didn't have ginger. It's just got garlic, onions, Tony, sweet chili, garlic powder, lemon juice, And a little bit of brown sugar. And a bitty of brown sugar. And some pepper flakes. Not too many pepper flakes because I don't like that pepper flakes stuff. It's too hot. I'm really full of spaghetti. What? I'm getting full of my spaghetti, y'all. But this shrimp is fire, babe. I don't see how people can get food on shrimp. Shrimp is just delicious. These is colossal shrimp, y'all. Jeremiah, you want spaghetti? You still asleep? Look at your baby. How many minutes I made on my phone, babe? Check and see how many minutes I made. This video can't be long.
You got change?
I got a cash app. Oh yeah, shout out to Maurice. She sent me a cash app, and I appreciate you, girl. She blessed me, and it was a blessing, y'all. Thank you. You check see how many I got. See how many minutes I got on my phone. Who would share?
11 minutes. 12 minutes.
I know, but you know how to say your battery full. I mean, your storage stuff is full. I hate that. Be all in good with a video and then it say storage full. Then the video stop. But yeah, if anybody else want to sponsor us or support our video, Viva Cash App, $ NayandTray. Just how our name is spelled on there. That's how my Cash App is. Woo, babe, I'm trying to talk, but I'm full. Huh?
I'm getting another shrimp.
No, nigga, why you didn't tell me they can make you some? I be hungry at nighttime, and I be saving my shrimp, my bowl right here for nighttime. I got one left. Let me see. 1,
2, 3.
No, babe. That's not fair. You're trying to eat up my shrimp.
Selfish.
Who's selfish? Your ass already ate.
Selfish.
Trying to play me. He already ate. I'm just now eating. As soon as I start eating, he be like, oh, they look good. And he won't stop my shrimp.
Because she always wait till I eat, then try to make the good shit.
No, it ain't. You capping over here. Because you ate that baked spaghetti too. Here.
Did you pin it?
No, I ain't peeling
Can
it.
you pin it?
No, why you can't peel it? You want me to lick it for you too? My damn nerve. You lucky I ain't make no crab. You could have, yeah, you can do it. I peeled it, you can lick, bite the rest off. Oh, it's trying to eat my damn food up, y'all. My ass. Trey be acting like Maya. Yeah, but I ain't nobody else challenge. So I see people doing our challenge and actually tagging us in it so people can find our video. And it's NayandTray, not NayandTray. Not, what would it say? What they call me? Nate, not Nate and Tay either, or Nate and Trey. It's Nay, N-A-Y, Trey, T-R-A-Y. How can you do that? It's there right there. I'm done, y'all. I'm gonna start choking. When it get down to nitty gritty, it get hot. Woo! It's the energy, y'all. Y'all need to try this bang. Get him at Walmart, y'all. Get him at Walmart. This kind. The other kinds I really don't mess with. I don't like cotton candy. That pink one, y'all probably like it, but y'all try that too. But make sure it's cold, not hot. Is Maya still outside? Can you check on Maya, babe? Alright, Chili Gang, I love y'all. But yeah, if y'all want to help, woo,
Love y'all.
support our channel,
Love
it's
y'all.
$NayandTray. This stuff get hot when you get to the bottom. I ain't done yet. You stopped it? Babe, I just say peace and blessings to the game. Why you stop my video?
I did.
I'm about to punch you in your head. Close it, man. Close it. Alright, Chili Gang. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Hit the notification bell to be notified when we upload a video, because it will be soon. We got pranks and bangers coming soon, y'all. I'm just waiting for Trey to get up, because Trey don't ever be off. Trey works 24/7. Shit, even if he called off to take a vacation or a funeral or something, then they still had his ass working. Ain't that some stuff, y'all? That's some crazy stuff. I oughta quit. Anyways, I love y'all, Chili Gang. Peace and blessings to all y'all. You just saw my video? Saw my goddamn video.
Oh, now you want me to stop.
Yeah.